Okay, so now I think for the first time we're going to be creating a workflow, which is kind of the brain of this whole thing. There's like a lot of functionalities, and the workflows is kind of a thing that kind of connects it all together, like the glue. There's a lot of things where if something happens, then this will be the automatic thing that will happen, right? There's like triggers and actions as a result of those triggers. We're going to be doing these quite a bit. And this is as the first one, it's going to be like the classic one. We're going to create one where they fill out the form that we just connected to the page, right? And once they fill out this specific form, they get added to the specific community that we created as well. So now this is going to be kind of tying everything together. So let's go create the workflow. So now as you can see, we're under workflows and we want to create a new one. So let's click on it. Let's create one from scratch. And this one is going to be this is like one of the simplest ones there can be. I would advise naming them so they make sense. If you want to go back and make edits, this name is not going to make sense. Name it accordingly to what happens in the workflow. Free access. Could have worded it better, but it will make sense to me afterwards. As long as it makes sense to you, then it's all good. This will consist of two things: a trigger. Once this thing happens, then there's going to be some action that will need to happen as a result of that. So the trigger will be they fill out a specific form, right? As I mentioned before. So let's just type it in. Form submitted, right? So form submitted, and we need to add a filter, not just any form, this form. So the filter will be form is, right? This one. And then which form is it? Free Corgi Pack community. See, we have like different forms, whatever, template forms, but we need this one that was connected to the landing page. So that's it. Let's save the trigger. And now if we click the plus here, that's going to be the action, the thing that's going to happen as a result. So let's click on it, and we're going to grant them access to the free community. So let's scroll all the way down, I think. Yeah, grant group access. That's going to be the action. And in this case, we only have one group community. I'm using those interchangeably, as I might have mentioned before. So over here, we only have one to pick from. Later down the line, we might have several, but now it's just one. So let's just pick this one, save action. And I think that should be it. We can go test it out. I don't think I missed anything. Let's publish it. So it's actually live, and let's save it. You can test it out here, but I actually want to go, what I like to do, I actually like to go to the page, type in the email, submit it, and then go check my email inbox, whether it worked or not. So I'm going to do that. So I'm going to open up the landing page. All right, we're back at the funnel. Over here, you can see the page. So you can just click on this icon to view the page. So if I set it up correctly, what's going to happen now is I'm going to put in my email and name, and we're going to click the button. It's going to take us to the thank you page that tells us that we're going to receive an email soon. And then we're going to go check our email within the next minute or two, whatever. We're going to receive a community access email, like a clickable button. So let's go check it out. All right, so let's put in my email and name, obviously. Let's click on this. Let's do +1. So actually receive the email. It's just in a different email address. So let's click on it. Thank you page. Drum roll, please. There we go. And so yeah, expect an email. So I should go to my inbox in I'm going to cut forward a minute or two whenever the email comes in, might be 15 seconds. And we're going to check whether the email is there. There we go. The email came in. So let's open it. And here you can see it's all good. View the group. I'm not sure if it's going to ask for more detail and like a profile pic and all that stuff. So let's check that. All right. Yeah. So this is like when somebody creates a new profile, signs up, you can add your profile pic, add a title, Corgi, lover, no bio necessary, right? So that's, and obviously you can do the image. So let's complete. Yeah, it's mandatory, huh? So let's just add this. We have an image, something that I just had there, complete. There we go. What's on my mind? I can start typing it in. Good to be here. And products, announcements, whatever the categories are, publish post, right? So something like that. Something, yeah, just really simple. Obviously, you can add the images and videos and links and all that stuff. So simple as that. Yeah, as per usual, if you have any questions, icon here in your backend, and 24/7 chat support. If you're a VIP client, you should have an option here as well, like a VIP personal call. So make sure to utilize those. Chat support is good for like simple questions if you got stuck at a certain step. And yeah, but if everything else is good, then I'll see you in the next video. Bye.